This is Nancy with Small Appliances, and today I want to show you how to work a Mr. Coffee grinder. This is an older version, and not exactly sure what model it is, but I'll try to write it down below. And it has a blade here in the middle. If you're buying this used at a thrift shop, make sure the blade moves. Underneath, it has a place where you can store the cord. And today we're going to be grinding up some whole flax seeds. The cord can come through here in the back so it doesn't mess up. It keeps it nice and flat. Just goes to the slot. And then we'll plug it into the wall. Like so. For the top, it has this white section right here that has to line up with this portion right here. So when you want it to run, you have to put this white slot, this white tab into that slot there so that you can push down and it runs. If you have it turned off to the side like this and it's not inside that slot, it won't run. Okay, there's nothing to, so it has to be right like this. So let me add some flaxseed to this and show you how fast this works. You can grind coffee. I've used it for coffee and for black pepper, for flax seeds, oatmeal that I want ground finely. What else? Let's fill it up. Something like that. You don't want it too full. You could use it for grinding just about anything. My favorite thing that I did recently was I dried orange peels, and I ground the dried orange peels and the cloves to make an additive for tea, to make some orange clove tea that smells just wonderful. All right, we're gonna push this. I like to shake it as I'm doing it. It already looks great, look at that. You see it in there? Let's open this up. See, it's all very well grounded. It didn't take long at all. If you don't fill it up too much, you can dump it into the lid and flip it upside down. Let me show you that real quick. If I can open this up. Flaxseed, of course, is better if you grind it fresh. I keep mine in the freezer. And, oops, not lined up. There we go. Shake it down, flip it upside down, and if you didn't overfill it, you can do this. Okay, and then dump it out, and you're good to go. I got a little bit more in there, so I can unplug it, tap it some, and in another video I'll show you how I actually clean this out. So, but that's how you use your Mr. Coffee grinder. Most of them are pretty much the same principle. You got to line up the tab on the top, hit the button, and that's about it. So I want to thank you for watching. If you have any questions or concerns, things that you want to see videos of, let me know, and I'll try to create them for you. Thanks for watching.